Current estimates have us touching down about 15 minutes at 2:10 local time. Weather waiting for us down there's 21 degrees and a southerly breeze. On behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing Virgin. Look forward to seeing you next time you fly.
Welcome to Alice Springs. Virgin Australia acknowledges the traditional owners of the lands to which we fly and pay our respects to elders past and present. The local time here in Alice Springs is 9 minutes past 2.
The coldest morning since September last year in Alice Springs.
Well, this is Larapinta Eve for us. We head out on the track tomorrow. We are in Alice Springs right now, so join us for the next few minutes while we make our final preparations for one of Australia's most epic walks. So this is a bit exciting. We've just grabbed our food tubs from the reception of the hotel. They were delivered here by Larapinta Express before we arrived. They are 55 litres in total, which is more than what we'll need for the amount of food we are taking. Let's open them up, see what's inside. We were able to pre-order our 3 fuel cans, so that's good. Also in here, a key to use out on the trail, that's to access the tubs at Serpentine. And you'll see on the side of the tubs, they've got our name and the destination that those tubs will go to. We'll fill them up with food today. The company will pick them back up and we'll look forward to the food inside these out on trail.
Serpentine, Stanley, and Ormiston. All right, we need to sort out our food. Luncheon curry for you. Soup by 2.
At this point, it's a giant assembly game. Rach is super organised, bringing all our foodstuffs in lots of bags. Then for each day, she has an awesome breakdown of exactly what we need in for that day. So it's basically a job of assembling it all and getting it into the tub and finding out what other bits we might need, and we'll do a final shop run a little later.
Got some crackers. We need to put cheese on our shopping list.
Cheese on the shopping list?
So we're having cheese and wine, done.
Oh, fantastic.
Butter rice, butter chicken, loaded dal, papadums, put that on the list.
Papadums going on the list.
Breakfast at the cafe. Contingency is protein oats.
That's if we get stuck.
If for some reason the cafe's not open. Hot chocolate, turmeric Thai.
Because we're celebrating our 30th wedding anniversary on trail, we do have a treat for this hike we normally wouldn't take. We found these little wines. They come in these nice squishy little packs. That's the Shiraz, that's the Sauvignon Blanc. Nice and handy in the pack, ready for out on the trail into the box. These are of course the protein cookies, and there's a separate video dedicated to show you exactly how to bake them.
It's time for us to pack, and so this is pretty much everything we're taking for 16 days on the Larapinta Trail, and we thought we'd just walk you through it quickly. So big ticket items are our tent as usual and our sleep system. We're taking our biggest, warmest sleeping bags because we're expecting some -0 experiences up on the high points. We've got some foam mats to put under our brand new sleep pads so that hopefully they survive the spin effects. Lots of warm weather gear, cold weather gear for at night. Light raincoats. We're not expecting rain, maybe one day of rain, but they'll work great as wind cheaters while we're out there. All of Pete's camera gear, and he runs through that on another video if you're interested in how he captures these trips. We've got lots of water carrying capacity. So tomorrow there's quite a bit of water on trail. We're starting with these. These are our new water bottles, and we've got a new swig rig that will work with those. Our electrolytes and water filtration. But we'll be able to carry 10 litres all up. We've got our day clothes, our cooking kit. So that's a little jet boil stash with our kitchenette. Again, there's another video on that. A big fuel canister for us, and we've got a couple more for along the way. We've got all our electricals, and this is our new and improved MacGyver bag, cut down a bit for this trip, so we're only carrying what we need. All our sunscreens and insect repellents and things like that we'll top up along the way as well. We've got a backpack for when we take little side trips so we don't have to lug all our big bags everywhere. We've got our food for the first 3 days, a toilet kit, some towels, Pete's day clothes, his night clothes, and we've got a Tyvek ground sheet to put under our tent for this trip to try and protect the tent a bit. Apparently the dust can get in the zippers, so I'm really hoping that with the Tyvek we'll be able to save that. And we haven't quite decided if we're taking the pegs or not. That'll be a debate as we get going. And then for this trip we've got some new shoes, some camp shoes. We usually just wear really light slides, but because we're going to be walking a bit further to have a swim or a wash, and we've got a bit of a water crossing where we think we'll need to be able to keep our shoes on, we've got some sandals from Zerali to give a go this time.
If you need any final camping supplies, the good news is right in the mall in Alice Springs, there's an excellent independent camping store. It's called Lone Dingo. All the major brands there. It's right here, ready to go. And what you'll get here that you won't get elsewhere is good local knowledge. We have just ducked into Woolies to get some last minute supplies. Now, it's the normal things you'd expect like muesli bars and other essentials, but because we have the boxes, we can flash out. So we've got 4 fresh avocados, pick different ripe varieties so we can time them perfectly to the end. We've also got a few things to spice up our meals, some papadums, corn chips, and because it's our wedding anniversary, even some chocky to lash out. And not to forget one of our most favourite meals, some great smoked cheddar from King Island for a lunch break not too far away.
All right, we're all packed, ready to go. So, truth is in the planning now. We'll see if we've got exactly what we need when we hit each stop.